Hey there! Are you tired of trying to make money online without getting results? Have you been looking for a quick and easy way to build your email list so you can start making money? Well, today I have something that you're going to love. Introducing Magic Link, an essential tool for all affiliate marketers looking to get leads and make money online. Magic Link is the perfect solution for new affiliate marketers or those looking to increase their earnings. With this product, you can generate commissions in two ways. By every opt-in to your email list and by every click on the emails you send to your list. All you need to do is follow 3 easy steps to start building your email list quickly. And best of all, you can generate your first commissions in just 24 hours. With Magic Link, you'll have access to all the necessary tools to get started. From email capture pages to connecting with your autoresponder. You'll also get all the email swipes to send to your list, as well as video tutorials to guide you through the entire process. But that's not all. Magic Link also offers you the first 100 clicks for free, so you can start making money right away. Plus, you'll also have access to a Facebook community, where you can ask any questions and be a part of a motivated and energetic community. If you're new to affiliate marketing, or just looking for an easier and faster way to build your email list and make money, then the Magic Link is for you. Don't miss the opportunity to get this incredibly valuable tool. Sign up now for our free training and discover how the Magic Link can help you achieve your online income goals. Click the link in the description or leave a comment.